Yes, students. Now look here. Yesterday we have done the adjective phrases and the adjectives. Yes. Fourth exercise we have done, and look at the fifth exercise, page number 14. Replace the adjective phrase in each sentence with an adjective. Now a phrase is given. Instead of the phrase, you have to write an adjective. Now I met a boy from the city. Okay, this you have to write in your notebook. I met a boy from the city. What will be the first one? I met a city boy. Okay, now look at the second one. He is a boy of great courage. Great courage is a phrase, we have to write an adjective. He is a very courageous boy. Understood? Now third sentence. She wore a sari made of silk. She wore a silk sari. Fourth one. You have done a deed of shame. Now these are the phrases we are using an adjective for that. You have done a deed of shame. You have done a shameful deed. You have done a shameful deed. Then fifth one, a person without a friend feels lonely. Without a friend means friendless. So fifth one will be a friendless person. A friendless person feels lonely. Then sixth, Mary had lost her necklace made of gold. Mary lost her gold necklace. Mary lost her gold necklace. Then seventh, the roads in the city were all in bad shape. The city roads were all in bad shape. Okay, see here the adjective phrase, we are using an adjective. Now Sardar Bhagat Singh was a man without fear. Sardar Bhagat Singh, a man without fear means fearless. Sardar Bhagat Singh was a fearless man. Then my grandpa was a person with plenty of wealth. My grandpa is a wealthy person. Is a wealthy person. Now, 10th one, the top of the mountain was covered with snow. The mountain top was covered with snow. The mountain top was covered with snow. So here what have we done? We have written the adjective phrase with an adjective. Now take out page number 16. Page number 16, pick out the adjective clause in each sentence. Yes? See here. All that glitters is not gold. That glitters is an adjective clause, underline it. That glitters is an adjective clause. Then, people who tell lies are never loved. People who tell lies are never loved. Who tell lies is an adjective clause. Underline that. Third, here is the bag that you were looking for. That you were looking for is a clause. Underline it. The dog that barks does not bite. That barks is a clause. Underline it. Then fifth, she never does anything that is silly. That is silly is a clause. Then sixth one, the house the Vermas lived in has been sold. The Vermas lived in is a clause. Seventh, God helps those who help themselves. Who help themselves is a clause. Then eighth one, he went to the village where his grandparents lived. Where his grandparents lived is a clause, so underline it. Then I have seen the house where he lives. Where he lives is a clause. Then the people who backbite others are disliked by all. Backbite means to speak about them, bad things. Who backbite others is a clause. Now, the reason why he failed is quite obvious. The reason why he failed is a clause. Then people who eat too much are prone to obesity. People who eat too much is a clause. 13, that was the reason why I came late. Why I came late is the clause. Then, this is the place where our forefather lives. Forefather means our earlier generations. Where our forefathers lived. Okay? Where our forefathers lived is a clause. Underline it. The girl who is sitting beside me is my cousin. Who is sitting beside me is my cousin. Understood? This you will underline. Now, pick out the adjective clause in each sentence. Also mention what noun or pronoun it qualifies. Now, this we have to do in the notebook. So, this we will do in our Zoom meeting or in next week. If I will get a class, I will do it in the next one because you have to write this in the notebook. Now, page number 17, third exercise. Supply a suitable adjective clause. Now here the answers will be different for everyone. Okay? So just listen to the answers what I am telling you. You can write these answers on your own. Because each answer will be different. You have to write your own answers. Now she is the lady who is kind. Here I am telling who is kind. You have to tell an adjective means you have to describe the lady. Here I have written who is kind. Or you can also write she is the lady who has lot of wealth or who is rich. Okay. He knows the place where the best things Or he knows the place where we can get good things. Or he knows the place where is the best restaurant. She is the woman who has great love for children. Now here each one's answer will be different because you have to write an adjective clause of your own. I am just giving an example. Then where is the new shirt that I bought? Where is the new shirt that I gave you? Where is the new shirt that I brought yesterday? Where is the new shirt which is pink in color? So any clause you can write. Then fifth one, that is the reason why I came late. That is the reason why I told you a lie. That is the reason why I didn't go for the picnic. That is the reason why I didn't come in time, or this is the reason why I was sleeping. Any sentences, there's so many you can write. Then I have found the pen. I have found the pen which you gifted me or which you gave me. Or I have found the pen which is my father's. Boys dash will not be promoted. Boys who do not show improvement. Now who are not promoted? Promoted means to go to the next class. Now what usually they say, no, if you don't improve, you will not go to the next class. So here, boys who do not show improvement will not be promoted. Then eighth one, no man dash can fail in life. No man who works hard can fail in life. No man who is honest can fail in life. No man who is very sincere and helpful can fail in life. Ninth one, the boy dash won the first prize in the race. The boy who is dull in studies, who is not good at studies, but is good in sports. The boy who is not good in studies or is dull in studies won the first prize in the race. Or the boy who no one thought that he will get a prize. So the boy of who no one thought got a prize in the race. 10th one, the house dash is 100 years old. The house which is there, or the house that is behind the big tree, is 100 years old. So here you have to add the suitable clauses over here. Now exercise second and exercise second on page number 16 and exercise 17, exercise 4 on page number 17 we have to do in the notebook, because here you have to do writing work. Exercise 4 on page 17, what? You have to replace the adjective phrase with adjective clause. And second exercise, page 16, you have to pick out the adjective clause and you have to name, you have to tell what it is qualifying, whether it is which noun or pronoun it is qualifying. So for this we have to write this in the notebook. And again I am telling you, for story writing, when you start writing a story, you have to look at the points very properly and then write the story. Comprehension, you know. What is the comprehension? Comprehension means yesterday we did that comprehension. Yes or no? I read it for you. What was that comprehension? Comprehension on page number 109. Yes, passage Galileo. That we have done. Third question I had asked you to write on your own. I hope you have done this. Okay, now students. Okay, bye. Have a nice time.